Watch it pop into my mouth, guys.
Sisi, CCTV food. CCTV food.
Hi guys, today it's the CCTV cooking show, and today we have Chef Sisi and my sister, and my name's Mesa, and I'm gonna be trying the food, and Zaid, my brother, who's gonna be trying the food as well. Yeah. So let's get on to the video. And also, what we're going to be making today is Moroccan Brussels sprouts.
Yay! So this is a amazing formula that my mother actually passed down to me. It is so tasty. If you don't like sprouts, I definitely recommend you giving it a go. It's yummy, it's healthy, and also the kids love it too. So if you're stuck for ideas for Brussels sprouts, this is the one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can definitely tell you that this stuff tastes delicious.
Fantastic.
Way,
okay, enough
guys.
talking. Let's get cooking. Wait. CCTV food. CCTV food.
By the way, guys, I do not like Brussels sprouts that much, so I'm going to be testing.
You're going to be the judge. So basically, last night, seasoned the chicken.
Yeah.
So what I did was... is the chicken that I prepared earlier. Okay.
You could use any sort of oil that you want, but we're just using olive oil because it works the best for us.
Yes, exactly. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 250 degrees. We're going to cover it with foil, leave that to cook for an hour, and then we're going to start the sprouts.
Yeah. Peace. I'll see you in the next shot.
Right, so what I'm doing with these sprouts here, I'm just washing them, and then what I'm doing is I'm just taking off the base, because I find that the base is a bit not as fresh, and taking off the first few leaves, just so they're lovely and gorgeous, just like that. And prepared them here. Thyme and red pepper. We've got coriander, we've got bay leaf, we've got cinnamon, we've got cumin, we've got pepper, we've got turmeric, we've got garam masala, we've got paprika and salt. We've also got half an oxo cube and half a Knorr cube as well. What I'm doing is now I'm grating the onion. Okay.
And I hope I don't cry.
And make sure you use adult supervision. You tell parents that this is very delicious and it'll help you get big and smart and strong.
Yeah. So then we get like a small garlic, and we're just going to grate it on the smallest grater there. Smallest grate, and this will help it become caramelized. It will help the onions. This method here is great. So I've got a little bit of ginger. I'm going to put in there as well. Okay. At this point, you want to boil a kettle. Yeah, and then you're going to put in you're going to put the salt, you're going to put the paprika, you're going to put all the main ingredients, apart from the oxo cube and stuff.
Yeah.
You put that in there.
Yeah, because we're going to put the oxo cube in probably last, isn't it?
Later.
Yeah, like later.
Once we put the water in. These ingredients really just simmer down, cook them up, and then once we've got that fried off, we're going to put the water in. So this is the basis, like the basis of our stock. Add the chicken Knorr cube and the oxo cube. And so now I've just popped that in with all the water, all the ingredients. As you can see, it looks very, very juicy. It's going to be great tasting. So you let that boil, let that simmer. A tin of plum tomatoes.
Half a tablespoon of
tomato puree.
Yeah. So this is going to be good, guys. So
shake.
Thickened up.
Yep.
It's looking yummy, but still the sprouts are still very hard.
Yeah.
So we're going to wait for them to cook down nicely.
at the moment, it's very hot, and as you can see over there, turn the camera.
Yeah.
So as you can see over there, there's steam. So that means that it's very boiling hot.
Yes. And children must stay away. Yeah.
Yes.
Peace. My auntie just sets up the table, and it's very fancy, by the way. It looks like a wedding. I'll see you in the next shot. I keep on saying this. I will see you in the next shot. Peace.
Cooking for about half an hour. As you can see, the consistency is nice and thick. Got loads of sauce and juice up in there, and the sprouts are lovely and soft. Great tip for you guys. If you're cooking and you're going out later and you don't want your hair to smell of food, want a headscarf.
So we are the protesters. So Mr. come.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay.
And it might be a little hot.
Yep. So bismillah.
Bismillah.
Is it good?
Let's try one for you. 1 second.
Is it
What
good?
do you think, Zadie?
I think it's delicious.
Wow. And you don't normally like sprouts, do you?
No.
Okay, so let's give it a good blow, yeah, Mace. Come in the camera. No. Come in the camera.
It's a little
You
bit
have to
hot.
wait. It's very hot. The suspense is killing them. Right.
Now.
Yes, say bismillah.
Bismillah.
Oh, is that hot? Cool it down. Oh, cool it down. Cool it up. Oh! Come on. All right, okay. How is that? How is that? Is that too hot? I'm sorry, baby.
My face got red.
Oh, baby girl. Was that good?
Yeah, it was really
enjoy
nice.
it?
It was really nice, but
What's
burning.
tasty? What's tasty about it?
So what's tasty about it, guys, is that the sprouts are they're really nice and soggy. Just the way we like it and stuff, isn't it, Mesa, my sister?
Yes.
And what about the sauce? What does the sauce taste like?
And the sauce is like, it has a lot of seasoning.
Yeah,
And it gives a lot of flavour to the Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
So I actually like this.
Yeah.
But I know it's so hot. I know. That burned my tongue like spice. Like I felt.
Usually, I put like a few chili flakes in there, but obviously because the kids are here, you don't have to have it with chili flakes. But it's very, very, very tasty.
Yeah.
Something I definitely recommend.
Yeah.
I can now turn that off and just wait for the chicken.
My tongue went red and my face was red.
I'm sorry.
My tongue is literally burning.
Yeah,
right
yours
now.
was fine. You didn't have any
Go on,
problems.
come on.
Right. Just taking this out of the oven. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes. We're just basting it, and now we're going to put it in there for another half an hour,
Yeah.
45 minutes, just to let it get cooked, but without the foil. So yeah. Okay.
And
There we go. We've got the chicken now done. Whilst it's roasted, got some lovely stuffing. We've got the Moroccan sprouts, and we will check in with you guys and let you know how it's doing later. But look at that. Gorgeous.
I don't remember to you and
All the sprouts, guys.
They're pretty good.
Well,
that's like lovely. And I'll definitely recommend them at these at home and stuff like that.
okay, good. What about you, Mace?
So this is a way to put the sprout.
Good. Yeah.
Watch it pop into my mouth, guys.
There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, lovely. Thank you, guys. Well done, guys. Say bye. That was it. That was how we do. Guys, enjoy it and give it a try too, because it's super easy and it's lovely and delicious, and the kids will love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look
There
at
we
that
go.
gorgeous.
Sisi,